power belongs to the people. He lived his life fighting for them to be equal. I wanna stand by you to fulfill the ultimate desire, to be a part of this dire choir. Dying birds, aren't we all?